Whilst it might seem simple, the find and replace feature in Word is an often overlooked tool when you have a document that is consistent and you need to replace a keyword. Perhaps it's a month of the year, a particular department or team, or a client name even. Now, the only caveat is don't rely on it to be perfect 100% of the time. It's still, the onus is on you to check to make sure it's replaced everything. So the first thing we're going to do is we've got the word video that appears quite a bit in this document. So I'm going to change that to audio rather than have to go through and change it each time. So I'm going to click the replace icon and it brings up the find and replace box. In the find what box, I'm going to type in video, and in the replace box, I'm going to type in audio. Now, you can go through and there are different options that you can match. So for example, if you just wanted to match the casing, or you were looking for a particular special character, for example, there's a lot you can do here. So it's worth exploring. So from here, I can choose a couple of options. I can go find next to go through the document and replace each one individually. Now, if you're talking about a customer documentation and you're replacing client names, this can be really valuable because it ensures that you are cleaning up each one and that you don't miss anything, unless, of course, you've misspelled something. I can choose replace, that will replace the one I'm currently on with the word audio, or I can simply choose replace all. I'm going to choose replace all on this one, and you can see here it's made 12 replacements, and if I click OK, you can see on the document here the word audio now appears where a video was. So don't overlook the find and replace, or in this case the replace feature, for replacing data within a standard sort of document to make your life easier and to save you having to redo everything manually.